In this video, I'll show you how to use a tool to earn money while you sleep. It's almost universally available, and all you have to do to get started is to follow the steps in this guide. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Before we get to the website, you must first create and maintain your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and create a completely free account by clicking this button. Simply fill out the required information and connect it to your PayPal account. If you don't want to do that, you can open up your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a completely free account on that online banking website. Okay, first and foremost, I'd like to demonstrate that this method genuinely works. As you can see, I earned this amount of money immediately on this platform and it was deposited into my PayPal account. There are actually ways to generate a lot more money using this platform, but first, let me show you proof that it actually works, so let's get started with the video. SpyFu.com is the name of the website that we'll be looking at today. This is a site that I'm quite sure none of you have ever heard of, yet it can make you a lot of money, believe it or not. Now, this site essentially assists other people with their websites or Google advertisements to get traffic for a tiny fee. The method by which it accomplishes this may be viewed right here. SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. Search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they bought on Google Ads, every organic rank, and every ad variation in the last 15 years. As you may have noticed, this program essentially spies on more successful competitors and allows users to duplicate their success, hence the name SpyFu. Now this may appear to be a bit complicated and intimidating at this time, which is why I urge you to stick with me. Because first and foremost, we will not be paying for this tool, and secondly, it's not quite as complicated as it may appear. You don't even need to understand how website traffic works and what any of these things represent. So you guys have a really simple strategy. There's a lot more to this website that you may read if you want to, but aside from promoting traffic to websites and various advertisers on Google, you don't really need to know anything else. So when you get to their main page, scroll down to the bottom and click on Affiliates. Now, SpyFu is a dream to market as an affiliate because of the recurring commissions, which pay out at a rate of 40% for the rest of your life. So, if someone you refer here maintains paying SpyFu for a year, it means you'll get 40% of what they pay on this website for the full year. So you have three very important aspects of the affiliate program. It pays well, it's based on recurring earnings, and it's the go-to site for anyone seeking passive income. The third thing that makes recurring commission so much better for you guys is that people will need it simply because they will be making a huge profit. Yes, they will be paying SpyFu, but they will be making a huge profit on that investment, which will encourage them to use it for a longer period of time. And you'll see how many individuals stop using the tool after they start using it on this page soon enough. I'll get to that in a minute. But in the meanwhile, folks hanging around means you'll be able to earn more money even if you only send a few people to this page. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. More information about their affiliate program may be found if you scroll down a little further. They feature a 365-day monitoring cookie, which means that if you offer someone your affiliate link, they don't join up right away, you will still be paid if they do so within a year. This is an excellent feature because, just as it says below, not every visitor converts right then. So this allows you to earn money even if people you refer to here don't sign up right away. The second thing you'll notice is that you're paid twice a month and that you've paid via PayPal or wire transfer. I know a lot of you use PayPal, therefore it's a given that it'll be available on our site. Here, you can see that this site allows you to earn money in a true passive income model. And this is exactly what I was stating before. With less than a 4% churn rate, your recurring commissions have real worth. So only 4% of individuals stop utilizing this tool after they start, demonstrating exactly how much potential this site has. One of the best characteristics of this site's affiliate scheme is that the majority of individuals you refer here will continue to use it. The last thing on this page is a list of frequently asked questions, but I won't go over them here. To begin earning money as an affiliate on here, simply click on Start Earning every month, create an account, and copy your affiliate link. The last thing I want to show you before we go on to the traffic source is something I'm sure you're curious about. How much money are we talking about? Anyway, this site offers 3 distinct pricing plans, which you can see for yourself by clicking on Pricing right here. Basic, Professional, and Team are all available in annual and monthly pricing plans, with the latter being slightly more expensive. Most individuals choose the professional pricing plan because it's neither too expensive nor too inexpensive. Consider this, if you bring 10 individuals here and they all choose the annual professional pricing option, you would have paid SpyFu roughly $6,900. Since you get a 40% discount, that is nearly $3,000 each year for just 10 people. As a result, this site will almost certainly make you a lot of money. Now that's out of the way, let me show you how you'll drive traffic to your affiliate link. You need to go to Google and make sure your ad blocker is switched off so that Google can show you advertisements when you search for something. And what you'll need to look at is stuff that will show you adverts. So for example, if I search for weight loss, I get a lot of ads, but it doesn't have to be about health. Our goal is for Google to provide us with adverts so that you can look for a product or whatever you want. We're doing this because those advertisers will be our customers. But there are 2 key considerations. First, don't open ads that appear on the first page of Google, but rather those that appear on the second or third pages. Let me explain why we're doing this. These advertisers are paying Google hundreds of dollars every day. Yet, if they're not on the first page of Google, they're missing out on 90% of the possible traffic. As a result, they're losing a lot of money. And because they're advertising, we know they have a pretty high budget. So they'll be more than prepared to use SpyFu to generate more visitors to their advertisements. Their job now is to open one of the ads and uncover the contact information for those persons, such as their Instagram page, Facebook page, or email address. You'll now contact these people and explain the advantages of SpyFu. I'm going over all of the features and convincing them that it's a good investment for them. You'll do this for all of the advertisers. I'm confident that the vast majority of them will be willing to give SpyFu a try. However, that is not all I have for you today. If you don't know what to look for, a website called infinitesuggest.com can be really useful. A keyword is a word or word that people type in while searching for anything for the layman. For example, if you type in weight loss as I did, it will display you all of these keywords. And each time I enter one of them, a new ad will appear. In this manner, I will never run out of possible clients, and I will be able to quickly locate many more of them by simply repeating the procedure over and over again. This manner is allowing me to earn thousands of dollars quietly. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.